They taught us how to follow rules, how to memorize answers, how to get good grades, but they never taught us the skills that actually matter in life. They never taught us how to sell, how to lead, how to market ourselves, how to speak with confidence, close deals, or make an impact. They never taught us how to think for ourselves. I never went to university. I got rejected by every single one I applied to. But while my peers were still studying, I built my business from zero to $1.2 million in 18 months by the age of 23. Not because I was smarter, not because I was lucky, but because I chose to learn what school never taught me: sales, branding, marketing, mindset.
How did you get the expertise to be the Chief Technology Officer of a rocket ship company?
I do have a physics background. That's helpful as a foundation. And then I read a lot of books and talked to a lot of smart people.
You're self-taught?
Yeah. Self-taught, yes, meaning I don't have an aerospace degree.
So how did you go about acquiring the knowledge?
Well, like I said, I read a lot of books, talked to a lot of people, and have a great team.
The truth is, school prepares you to survive. But the real world, it rewards people who can solve problems, people who can communicate, people who create value. And that's why so many graduates end up confused, broke, and afraid. Smart, but unprepared. But it's not your fault. You were trained by a broken system, but now it's your responsibility.
He said, if you work hard on your job, you'll make a living. If you work hard on yourself, you can make a fortune.
You don't need a degree to create success. You need courage to start and the right skills to finish. And the beautiful thing, you can learn it all outside the classroom. If you're waiting for permission, here it is. Start now. Read the books. Join the classes. Invest in yourself. Because the system won't save you, but self-education will set you free. They didn't teach you how to win, but you're not too late to learn. They rejected me, but I still built the life they said I couldn't.